Yes.
Galit yata eh. Galit ba yan?
Do you take Andrea here for your lawful wife according to our laws?
Yes.
And do you give yourself completely to her as her husband?
I give myself.
Yeah. So how about you, Andrea? Do you take Miguel and Rico here for your lawful husband according to our laws? Yes. And do you accept him for what he is? Yes. So when they hawakan ng kamay ng isa't isa, both ikaw mo na Miguel, before Andrea. Kasi before the vow, ito muna. I repeat after me.
I,
Your full name.
Miguel Enrico C.
Take the full name of your wife.
I forgot you.
Lawful, wedded, wife. I promise to love you forever. To take good care of you. To respect you. And trust. I also promise to be a good and faithful husband. And to be a good father to our future children.
Yun.
Say that to Miguel. I, your full name.
Andrea Natasha Quintanar.
Take the full name of your husband.
You, Miguel Enrico Gutierrez.
For my
lawful wedded husband.
I promise to love you forever. To take good care of you. To respect you. And to trust you. I also promise to be a good and faithful wife. And to be a good mother. To our future children. We together is say to each other to have, and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness, and in health, until death do us. So you can apply with that promise. So you're bound now. You start ready.
Hello. They used to call me King Pobla. For reasons I cannot disclose. I used to roam the streets of Poblacion like a lost child. Until I met Tasha one night in Local. A night I thought would be like any other night. Turned out to be the start of a new chapter of my life. Walang tingin sa tawa si Tasha. Shit. Oh. Kahit ano sabihin ko, tawa na siya ng tawa. Sabi ko,
Akala clown siya.
And then, first day namin sa Refinery Rockwell. nalaman ko may siya sa garlic longganisa. May bonito ba yun? Plus one ulit. So, and then yun, she also introduced me to the sport of triathlon. And then watching her first race in Ilocos, where she got first place. Eh, syempre, na-inspire ako. And then pag-uwi namin the next week, bumili na ako sarili kong bike. I think everyone here sees Tasha as an inspiration. Athlete, professor, author. She has 2 books. Archaeologist. Yeah, Indiana Jones of the Philippines, sabi nila. She pushed me to be the best person I can be, letting go of my previous self, expanding my comfort zone, and then, in fact, I was never a swimmer. In fact, nalulun pa ako nung bata ako. Sinibla ako ng tatay ko. Tumakbo siya sa pool. I was never a swimmer, but now I'm a triathlete. I'm a triathlete doing all kinds of sports and adventures with Tasha. And, you know, with our SB friends and girl friends, all sorts of adventures. And I think, you know, you're a hero. I think everyone here really sees you as an inspiration. I promise to be your cheerleader, whether you're training for a triathlon, conquering mountains, or on your bike, or chasing your running goals. I'll be there with water bottles and high fives, cheering you on every step of the way. I laugh at your jokes, even the bad ones. Together, we'll navigate this crazy journey called life with plenty of laughter, a lot of silliness, and a whole lot of love. I promise to cherish and support you in all that life brings our way. With you, I found my truest companion, my greatest joy, and my deepest love. So here's to a lifetime of adventures, laughter, and endless smiles of love. What's it?
Ang ikli naman. Nakasulat. Novel. Bagong libro. New book.
Good. I met you at a time when I was the most comfortable with and by myself. The night we met was such a strike of luck, and although you made me laugh within 5 minutes of being introduced, I still would have never guessed that we'd marry each other. But you were funny, masayang kasama, at obvious naman na tuwang-tuwa ka na lentang-lenta sa akin. As we started going out, it was easygoing, laid back, and fun. 3 things that best describe us both. People often ask what made me know that this was worth the shot. It will always be Tin Man, 2019, when you willingly agreed to be my race support. Hindi mo alam yung mangyayari, pero chika lang. Nagtanong ka pa kila Kiko, tsaka kila JV, anong dapat mong gawin? But a week after my race, you got your own bike and started running with me. I didn't have to ask you, but we naturally became teammates and each other's race support. We sure had our fair share of uphill battles, and you know I hate steep climbs. But after being forced to live together in my room during the pandemic and seeing you grow into a more caring, sensitive, and empathic person made me see that you truly are the teammate meant for me. Okay, I never asked for any of this, or for you to join me in my crazy endurance challenges. But your natural, genuine involvement in this tri-life is a testament of your love and sport. At tulad ng cliche na sinasabi nila that opposites attract, hinatak mo ako sa weakest sport ko, which is cycling, at natuto kang harapin ang swimming. Pangarap kong mag-super random or status tayo someday, and it will require a lot of commitment and grit, just like this marriage. There's no other person I could think of doing that with but you. Thank you for understanding my need to bury myself in the countless other projects I do. Archaeology, civil society orgs, and wanting to change the system. Malalim ang hugot at pag-ibig ng isang aktivista, pero sa tingin ko mas malalim ang pagmamahal mo dahil sa pag-intindi ng makabuluhang buhay na pinili ko. Through this ultra distance we've chosen to race together, I promise to be a good teammate who seeks to understand than to be understood. I'll do my best to be sensitive to each other's space, mapa-zone 2 pa yan or threshold. We can take turns in being ride leader, matututong sumunod minsan, at matututong mamuno din, whatever the time calls for. On your days when your HRV is balanced, let's celebrate it. On days when your sleep score is low, I'll do my best to create an environment that will calm you. There are many easy, beautiful things in this life, but there are also many hards. We can only count on so few people to go the hard way with us. And how lucky I am that there's you.
Yay! Ang makeup, ang makeup.
Andrea,
Andrea,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my love
as a sign of my love
and loyalty.
and loyalty.
Miguel,
Miguel,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign
as a
of
sign
my love
of my love
and loyalty.
and loyalty.
Alright, so you face me. Okay. And I, by the authority vested in me by law, calling all your witnesses here, your parents, loved ones, relatives, and friends. Now, the band of marriage with you, Miguel, Enrico, and Andrea, Natasha, have sealed today. And I now proclaim you, Miguel Chua Gutierrez and Andrea Natasha Estrella Quintanar, as husband and wife. So face them.